Today we're breaking down the top 5 high-paying freelance skills to boost your income in 2025. No more scraping. We're talking about skills that can bring you the real cash. And listen, stick around to the end because the last skill could be the game changer that you didn't know you needed. Plus, I've got a little bonus for all the editors out there. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming at number 1. Starting off at number 5, we have got copywriting. It's simple. If you can make words sound like magic, you're in. From website to email marketing, everyone needs copy that sells. And people are willing to pay high dollar for someone who can get that right. If you think copywriting has something to do with copyright laws, maybe stick around for the next skill. Number 4, video editing. Now this one is my personal favorite because I do it. If you're really editing videos or looking to start, 2025 is a great time to jump in. Brands, YouTubers, influencers, they're all on the hunt for good editors. And if you want some extra flair in your work, I've got an animation preset pack designed for Premiere Pro editors that can really make your life easier. It's a toolkit for creativity and I've linked it in the description. Next up, number 3, social media management. If you're already spending your hours scrolling through Instagram and analyzing the latest TikTok trends, you're halfway there. Businesses need people who know ins and outs of social platforms to keep the brand active and relevant. And honestly, companies are willing to pay a lot to avoid learning the TikToks themselves. If your resume just say, I can scroll for hours, maybe time to upgrade it to social media manager. Alright, coming in hot at number 2 is SEO, search engine optimization. If you know how to help website to climb the rank of Google, you will be in serious demand. Companies pay well because, let's be real, if they're not showing up on the first page, they might as well not exist. Tell me, how many of you actually gone to the second page of Google? Yeah, that's what I thought. And here's the big one at number 1, AI and machine learning. If you're into coding and tech, this is the field to watch. Whether it's app, automation or personalized marketing, AI and machine learning are only going up in demand and pay. It's future proof and has that cool factor that tech companies love. So there you have it. Top 5 high paying freelance skills to make 2025 your year. Which one are you most interested in? Let me know in the comment. If you are a video editor, don't miss out the animation preset I mentioned. It's in the description. And it will speed up your editing workflow that you wouldn't believe. Like this video if you find it helpful and please hit the subscribe button.